Hey guys. So last night my truck actually started on fire in a trail. I was trail bombing with my girlfriend and her cousin. I got stuck. I'm only up to two-wheel drive right now because I still need to get my custom rear shaft made. They don't have the money for it quite yet. But yeah, anyway, I got stuck, had Hunter come, pull me out, got out of that hole, and then I ended up having to back out of the rest of the trail because I couldn't turn around. And I ended up getting kind of stuck in another hole that I went through forward fine, but I ended up not being able to get through backwards. And another part of it I didn't get through was because I was actually only running off of like six cylinders instead of 8, because someone popped 2 of my spark wires off. They didn't just fall off. They're not that easy to just pop off like that. Like, someone had to reach under my fender and took them off, and my truck actually ended up catching on fire because it must have been arcing from the plugs and melted a bunch of my wires, started a bunch of the grass on fire from under my truck. I thought my truck was gonna burn up, honestly. Here's some footage right now I got with Molly's phone. It's my girlfriend's cousin. It's not as bad here as it was. Like, it was even worse like 30 seconds before this video. I just didn't be able to get the camera out right away. I was freaking out. But anyway, here's some footage of that. It was coming out of the engine too. It still is, I think.
Dude, you can't turn that fucker on, you'll blow up.
Yeah, the motor's on fire. You're kidding me. I didn't even have my RPMs up. Well, that's nice. I want to pop my hood. I don't think it's going to do anything now. But yeah, so now it's stuck. I was actually able to get it started again, pop the plugs back on. I don't think the fire hurt anything too bad, but it's stuck pretty bad now. So we weren't able to get it last night out with max tracks or shovels or anything, so we're getting the Humvee now. Gonna take that out there and hopefully can get her unstuck. I'm just gonna show you guys everything I'm bringing. Got a shackle, buttload of straps, some wood blocks because you never know when you might need them, hitch for my truck. Got 4 max tracks out there. They're normally mounted on here, but we brought them out there last night thinking that might have been able to get me out, but it didn't. Got a bubble rope, and then a battery with some makeshift jumpers just in case the truck dies, or it's dead when I get out there. So yeah. I think this one's a 90. The second one's an 87. Want me to flip that up? Yeah. That's a 40-inch tire right there. Buried. I actually made it through that. Front axle's mostly out. Back axle's a little buried. I'll show you guys where it caught on fire once I get it out. Okay, so here's my setup. Got the bubble rope leading from the Humvee. Wasn't quite long enough, so I got it connected to my strap that's doubled up and wrapped around my hitch. Hopefully that'll be enough to get it out. Also got max tracks. I actually got 3 of them under that tire and 1 under that tire.
Never supposed to use a strap with a bubble rope, but we're not long enough. I don't care. Freaking raw power of the Humvee.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to shovel this out and catch up on that. Let's grab these max tracks too. Put a max track under each front tire so I can try to get it up and over this. I dug the other tire out as well. Building up a lot of mud. So I just had them pull me the rest of the way out. Bubble rope worked pretty slick when you yanked on it. Max tracks helped out. Great, the other one's buried into that slop. Yeah. This is where I was stuck. Camera doesn't really do it justice. It's pretty bad. The ruts are, well, pretty deep. With the shovel and show you guys. It's like up to here on the up to here on the shovel. My hand is. Yeah, don't go off-roading without four-wheel drive. I didn't really mean to go mudding. I just wanted to go trail bombing, and people suggested this trail, so I figured I'd hit it. And I don't know, once I saw the mud, I just wanted to go through it anyway. I actually made it way up there and ended up getting stuck like on a rock. Had Hunter pull me out, and then I tried backing out of here because there was no way to turn around up there. I got stuck in here trying to back out, and that's when my truck caught on fire up here. I was actually out of this. I drove up out of it trying to get more momentum back out of it. It's pretty matted down now. I don't know if you can see where the grass was on fire or not. But oh yeah, right here. It's all all black. Joss was on fire there. It was dripping. It must have been the plastic that was dripping actually. I thought it was oil or gas at first. So it really sucked, but it was just the plastic dripping. So yeah. I'm gonna clean this stuff up and show you guys the truck.
We'll take it nice and easy. If you're able to get up to 40, 50, great. If you can't, we'll do it.
Get some of this mud out of here. Try to take her home.
But, you know,
Well, made her home in one piece.
thanks, Dad.